Make a great choice today with the 2018 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, power liftgate, active grille shutters, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, speed control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.